Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the chain on the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog so the derailleur is relaxed. Once done, inspect the shifter cable and housing for frays, replace if damaged. Make sure the bike sits level on a stand and the pedals rotate freely, because you will spin the cranks while adjusting. Now set both barrel adjusters to neutral, mid-range, and ensure the limit screws are not bottomed out. This prevents overshifting as you start indexing. You shift up one gear and pedal while watching the chain move across the cogs. Small corrections matter. If the chain hesitates to climb, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise in 1/4 turn increments. If it overshoots, turn clockwise. Make sure the derailleur hanger is straight and the upper pulley tracks directly under the target cog. Adjust the B-tension screw to set a 5-6 mm pulley-to-cog gap for modern 911 speed systems. This improves shifting speed and prevents chain drop. You finish by riding under load and shifting through the entire cassette, listening for skips and delays. This confirms real-world performance. If you notice skipping, stop and recheck cable stretch. New cables often settle, so repeat 1/4 turn barrel adjustments until crisp. Make sure limit screws prevent chain drop and that chain length is correct. If noise or misalignment persists despite adjustments, suspect a bent hanger or worn components. In that case,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.